Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best blinds that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly, premium, or just the perfect fit for your unique needs, we've got you covered. All the product links are in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Laz Blinds No-Drill Cordless Pleated Shades. These blinds are perfect for renters or anyone who doesn't want to drill into their window frames. They feature button-style suction cups for easy installation and removal, making them versatile for various surfaces like glass windows, skylights, and even French doors. The premium polyester woven fabric gently filters sunlight while maintaining your privacy, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. While the design is innovative, the suction cups can sometimes pose challenges if not applied correctly or on clean surfaces. However, when properly installed, they hold up well and are easy to adjust. The cordless operation is another major plus, making them child and pet safe. At $19.99, they're a solid mid-range option for those seeking simplicity and functionality. That said, the size options are limited, and they're best suited for smaller windows. If you're in the market for a no-drill, light filtering solution that's quick to install, these are worth considering. Just make sure to follow the instructions for the suction cups to ensure they work as intended. Overall, these are a convenient choice for temporary or semi-permanent use cases. At number 4, we have the Laz Blinds 100% Blackout Roller Shades, which take the crown as our budget pick. Priced at just $13.19, these shades deliver complete blackout functionality, making them ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, and even home theaters. The polyester fabric is coated with a blackout backing, offering total light control and UV protection to create a pitch-dark environment for better sleep or movie watching. What sets these apart is their no-drill installation process, thanks to self-adhesive tape and included clips. This makes them renter-friendly and hassle-free to set up. However, the adhesive might lose its grip over time in high humidity areas, so they're best for dry, clean surfaces. The cordless design ensures safety for children and pets, and the shades can be easily adjusted using the clips. While the build quality is decent for the price, it's not as durable as some premium options. Additionally, trimming the width to fit your window frame requires a bit of DIY effort. Still, for under $15, these blinds are a fantastic value for anyone looking for an affordable, temporary blackout solution. Just don't expect them to last forever or withstand heavy usage. Taking the third spot is the Aliexpress cordless white 1-inch light filtering mini blinds. These blinds offer a great balance of style, functionality, and durability at a price point of $22.97. Made from high-quality vinyl, they're moisture-resistant and ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and other high-humidity spaces. The light filtering slats provide just the right amount of privacy while allowing some natural light to seep in, creating a warm atmosphere in your home. The cordless lift system is a standout feature, ensuring safety for homes with children and pets. The blinds are easy to operate. Simply push up or pull down the bottom rail for smooth adjustments. Installation is straightforward, even for those with limited DIY experience, thanks to the included mounting hardware and detailed instructions. On the downside, these blinds are blackout, so they're not ideal for rooms requiring complete darkness. Additionally, the size options might leave light gaps for wider windows. But overall, the Aliexpress blinds are a versatile and reliable choice for anyone looking to enhance their indoor spaces with a sleek and functional window treatment. At number 2, we have the Awesome Home Decor Cordless Light Filtering Mini Blind. These blinds are all about elegance and durability, making them a fantastic choice for any room in your home. At $26.77, they're on the higher end of the price spectrum, but their premium vinyl construction resists warping, fading, and sagging, ensuring they stand the test of time. These blinds are perfect for filtering in soft, natural light while maintaining privacy. The cordless operation makes them safe for homes with children or pets, and the tilt wand offers precise light control. Installation is a breeze, with all the necessary hardware included and instructions that cater to both beginners and experienced DIYers. Plus, the variety of sizes and colors ensures you'll find the perfect match for your decor. While these blinds are excellent overall, they're not water-resistant, so they may not be the best choice for bathrooms or kitchens. Additionally, they're not blackout, so don't expect total light blocking. But if you're looking for a stylish, reliable, and child-safe option that filters light beautifully, these are a top contender. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in deciding which blinds are the best fit for your home. If you have any questions about the products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this. See you in the next video.